Have you noticed how certain foods suddenly become the star of the moment? One day, they're just another vegetable on your plate, and the next they're everywhere. That's exactly what's happening with asparagus. Once a simple side, asparagus is now having a full glow-up, appearing in trendy recipes and fine dining. So what changed? It turns out, asparagus has always been special. We're just finally paying attention. Let's start with its flavor. Asparagus has a unique taste that's fresh, slightly earthy, and incredibly versatile. It can be roasted for smoky depth, grilled for a crisp bite, or lightly sautéed to keep it tender and bright. And visually, those vibrant green spears instantly elevate any dish, making it look cleaner, fresher, and more intentional. But the real glow-up goes beyond appearance. Asparagus is packed with nutrients that support your body in powerful ways. It's rich in vitamins like A, C, E, and K, loaded with fiber that supports digestion, and filled with antioxidants. It's even known to support heart health, boost energy, and help your body naturally detox. In other words, it doesn't just look good on your plate, it helps you feel good too. And that's a big reason why people are talking about it. In today's world, food isn't just about taste. It's about wellness, balance, and how it makes you feel. Asparagus fits perfectly into that lifestyle. It's low in calories, high in nutrients, and easy to incorporate into almost any meal. But what really makes asparagus stand out is its versatility. You can shave it into fresh salads for a light crunch, add it to pasta for a healthy twist, or grill it as a simple but flavorful side. It works just as well in everyday home cooking as it does in elegant, restaurant-style dishes. And that's the magic of it. Asparagus can be simple or sophisticated, comforting or refined, all depending on how you use it. And maybe that's what this glow-up is really about. It's not that asparagus changed, it's that we've started to see its full potential. So the next time you come across those bright green spears, don't just think of them as a side dish. Think of them as an ingredient that brings together flavor, nutrition, and creativity all in one. Because sometimes, the foods we overlook the most are the ones that have been quietly powerful all along.
That's it for today's Ingredient Spotlight. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Ingredient Spotlights. This is Chef Jade. See you in the next Spotlight.